to start secret conversation on Telegram. In few steps you can start with any your contact secret conversation. You can and he can take screen or recording or sending these photos or this conversation to anyone. We go to Telegram, we go to our contact and we press her photo profile and we go to this option, the three button on the right corner, and we put we press secret chat and wait start. And how you see, I can not recording this conversation, I can send message and he cannot take a screenshot or recording. This conversation is still between you and him. That's all for this video. Subscribe and like.